Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we take a deep dive into smart buys, hidden gems, and essential gear to elevate your style, productivity, and life. Today, we're talking about something that will add instant flair to your wardrobe without burning a hole in your wallet. If you're looking to add class and personality to your formal or casual attire, stay tuned because this is hands down the best bow tie men pre-tied adjustable that you'll find on the market. Let's take a closer look at the AUSKY 8-Packs elegant adjustable pre-tied bow ties for men and boys. The first thing you notice when unboxing this set is just how vibrant and varied the collection is. You're not just getting one or two options. You're getting a full 8-pack, each with a different look, color, and personality. This includes timeless colors like black, navy, and maroon, as well as eye-catching options like bright red, yellow, stripes, and polka dots. It's perfect for those who love to mix things up or need bow ties for different occasions. Made with polyester silk, these bow ties feel surprisingly premium for their price. The material is soft, with a satin finish that catches just the right amount of light without being too flashy. Whether you're wearing these for a wedding, a professional setting, a party, or even a themed event, these ties walk that line between stylish and versatile. They come pre-tied, which means you don't have to fiddle with tying it yourself. Perfect if you're in a rush or just not great at knots. And the adjustable strap fits neck sizes up to 18 inches, making it suitable for most adults and boys over 8 years old. All it takes is a simple hook and you're good to go. But let's talk style for a second. Each tie in this pack pairs beautifully with collared shirts. Whether you're dressing up a vest, a full suit, or just adding flair to a button-down, these bow ties instantly elevate your look. This variety makes this set a smart buy, especially if you're building out your accessory collection on a budget. And because these ties are machine washable, they're not just for show. You can actually wear them often, clean them easily, and not worry about them falling apart. That's a big plus for people who wear formal accessories regularly. If you're someone who attends events, performs, works in a professional environment, or just likes looking sharp, this set gives you more than enough to rotate throughout the week. It's also a fantastic gift idea, whether for your brother, father, son, or friend. Anyone who appreciates style will love having options like these ready to go. So to wrap it up, the AUSKY 8-Packs pre-tied bow tie set gives you style, variety, and convenience in one neat package. They're easy to wear, look great, and the assortment makes them perfect for any outfit or occasion. At this price point, it's a steal. That's it for today's episode of Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a smart buy again. Until next time, stay sharp, stay stylish.